Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. Here we have a Mitsubishi MT2201 27 horsepower tractor, shown here with the optional 4-foot J-bar box scraper ripper. You can see it has a 5-foot bucket on it. It'll lift over about 7.5 feet, and if you have the right attachment on the back, such as one of those tillers over there, this thing will lift about 1,200 pounds, no problem. You just have to counterbalance it. If you didn't have anything on it, it's going to pull the back end up when you lift it, and it'll lift just about 500 pounds before it pulls up the back end. Anyhow, this is a really nice tractor. It's one of my favorite ones that I get. You can look at it, it's really nice. Been taken care of. Again, look at that. Just climb right in, jump on a seat. You don't have any shifters sticking up to put your knee over or whatever. You can hear the dogs like it too, by the way. Here you go. You can see it's got the nice control panel on it. Can't know if you see it, but it's got 987 hours on it, which is really good. Most of the tractors I get have under 1,000 hours, and as I've said before, these things will get about 10,000 hours on them before you have to do anything. This thing's been completely serviced. All the filters have been changed, oil's been changed. When I get these things, they don't have any fluids in them, so I have to change the fluids anyhow, so all the fluids are good. It's got a little backup night light on it, which actually doesn't work because his bulb's burned out, but actually kind of nice to have. You see, really nice tractor. Again, this is a Mitsubishi. It's Kumai, which is a Mitsubishi. That's like Toyota and Lexus is the same thing. Mitsubishi and Kumai is the same thing. You can see it's the Mitsubishi MT2201. I'm sure everybody can read that Japanese. Look at that. Can you read it? It's got a locking rear differential on it. It's got high, medium, low, and slow speeds. Those are the high gears. Main gears has 1, 2, 3 in reverse, 4-speed PTO. This thing will go slower than you can actually walk, and it'll go up to about, I don't know, I'm guessing probably 30 miles an hour. Again, the original seat on it, really good condition, so you know this thing's been taken care of. Let's go ahead and start it up. On the Mitsubishis, you always have to turn the key to the left to ignite the glow plug. Make sure I have it out of gear, give it some fuel. There you go, listen to that thing. Really nice, 4-cylinder. They're hard to come by in these compact tractors. Normally you're up to 40, 50 horsepower before you have a 4-cylinder diesel. This is a 4-cylinder, 27 horsepower. Look at that, you can almost sneak up on your horses on your horse ranch and they'll never hear it. Again, 5-foot bucket. You can see no smoke. No smoke coming out of that stack. Got the joystick controller right here for the bucket. Tilt it up, down, up, out, in. Really nice tractor. Go ahead and shut it off here. Again, this is a Mitsubishi MT2201 4-cylinder diesel tractor. Really nice. I don't think I'm going to have this long. These are some of the nicest tractors I get in, are these 4-cylinder Mitsubishis. Anyhow, this is David, Tough Tractors. You can email me at david@ToughTractors.com. If you have any questions, you want to see how I service any of these things, change of filters, anything like that, just let me know. I'd be glad to do it, put them online. Again, my website is ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.